Okay, this is the first time this machine has been moving out of the shop in months. Well, month since December anyways, when they do the paint job. Moved in, we got it to do a paint job. They're just adjusting the mirrors here. Larry's hopped in because he's wants to see how this machine moves. And this is one of Dad's masterpieces. This is the 79, first off the line in 79. The customer who currently owns this spared no expense, and they are going to take this out into the yard and tour it around. So this is the for sale video. So you probably see this video long before you see all the other videos that are associated with this. So right out the shop, and we're going to follow these guys around. And boys are going to close the doors here behind me so we don't lose all the heat, and do a quick turn here. So I'm just going to tour around the yard here and watch these guys, and like I said, they're going to tour it around here and make sure everything's working. So they're just going to move it around in some of the deeper snow over there. And Dad said he's going to move it through the field. And we'll just keep on going here and see what they're doing. And our neighbor dog Yeti has come by to check out the action. Hi, Yetters. So Dad's got it in the back area there now. And they move it through that heavy snow. And we haven't really plowed back then, so it's going to be some good real world conditions. And you're going to see it right coming through right over here right away. And it's moving along quite nicely, making some nice sharp turns. Lots of power. And Dad's going to take it out into the field and see how it's going here. Doing a little backing up here, and don't see any issues with the tracks. I'm always looking for that. So we had snowbanks here in the field, but Dad just cleared that one snowbank right there. Machine's still warming up here, and took that snowbank no problem. So I'm not going to walk into the field seeing what these guys are doing. I'll get in the machine later on. Again, neighbor's dog supervising here, but Dad's out back there. You can see all the snow kicking up, and this is what we do. Sometimes we just run it through the field because it's more real world conditions. And I'm just going to zoom in here so you guys can see a little better. And this is the first test run it's done in a long time. We didn't really do any work in the shop other than the paint job, and then just reassemble a couple things. Dad touched up the rad and put the skis on. It's turning quite nicely. And looks like you probably make a couple more turns. Now this Bombardier is for sale. We originally posted this Bombardier video in the summer. We thought it was an 81. It's a 79. It's the first off the line in 1979. There's 25 made in 79. There's none made in 1980 and only 10 made in 1981. So this machine was lovingly restored, and no expense was spared. And took those snowbanks, no problem getting through that. And so if you're looking to get into a machine that has the best of the best, this is definitely one of the machines that you want to look at. You can hear Dad just giving her in the back there. And he's opening it right up. He wants to show Larry everything this machine can do. I got a feeling Larry might buy this machine, but it's open for sale for everybody. With the paint job, guys, its minimum price is $75,000. We've kind of set the price at $76,000 simply because there's more than one person interested. And the first person that buys this machine owns it. Got to pay in full. Yeah, I will. So I just crawled in the back here. How's the run so far?
I got a set. There's one on the carburetor and one on the choke. I have to reset it a little bit. It's automatic choke, so it goes by temperature.
Anyways, nice and toasty warm in here. And Dad is going to take it through the field again. So you're going to see the back seat perspective. Nice and quiet in here. I'm not having to yell or anything like that. So Dad just readjusted here. Like I said, Larry's in the passenger seat. And you can really actually hear it dragging bottom because of all the snow. The windshield wipers are working really nice, clearing off the snow. Blower motor heater is obviously working. So Dad's just pointing out some of the dash gauges there.
Front heater, on and off. This is a fan for the windows, but you got lots of air coming in, you don't have to worry. So it's running about 170 right now.
Is that normal, 170?
Well, it'll go to 180 or so. It's got about 50 pounds of oil pressure at 170, which is good. And speedometer works. See that?
So we're just going to round the corner back to the shop here again. And there's a little bit of a snowbank here. Dogs are awfully excited.
Since the completely redone, 2,344 miles.
So Dad's going to pull it back to the shop, readjust the choke, and but I would consider this machine.
I'm going to show you on the carburetor for setting the throttle too, because it should be running around 800-900 for a Bombardier, where a truck is 7 or so. The reason why run a little bit faster is because of the Bombardier and track.
Okay, I'm gonna get out and open the doors.
Yep.
So Dad just rolled it in back into the shop. He wants to readjust the choke, and what else did you want to do?
Just adjust the choke.
Okay, so you guys, if you're interested in this Bombardier, is for sale. It's a 79. Dad just rolled it back into the shop, and he's going to adjust the choke. It is for sale. What size engine again?
This 318 industrial 4-barrel carburetor.
Okay. And what kind of transmission?
727 automatic Chrysler.
Okay.
And heavy duty diff.
Yeah.
All new bearings and seals in the diff.
Okay.
Rebuilt transmission, rebuilt motor, rebuilt rad, all new tires, new tracks.
Yeah. So you guys aren't going to get a deal like this on this type of machine. Other guys might say, well, I got them cheaper. Go ahead and buy those ones. But this is what the price is on this one. And you saw it move in action here. And so we're going to post this video pretty soon. And it is for sale. We're located in the Paw, Manitoba. Have to pay for it all at once. The first person who buys it, buys it. We're not saving this unless you're sending us a deposit. And there's also, like Dad said, the 2 spare tires and rims over here as well. That's $2,000 right there. So yeah, that's it, guys. We're going to continue on with the other Bombardier.